Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll look at a simple but important formatting feature, how to wrap text in Google Sheets. If your data looks cluttered or overlaps into other cells, wrapping text is a simple way to clean it up, and today, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's begin with a simple example. Here, we have a Google Sheet where the content in one cell is too long and spills into the adjacent columns. This can make your data look messy or even unreadable. Sometimes, our cell content overlaps with the cells below. Expand the cell to see the full text. But when you reduce the cell size again, the text starts to overflow or overlap. To wrap this text, first, click on the cell or select the range of cells you want to adjust. Now, look at the top menu bar and click on the Format tab. From the drop-down, hover over the option labeled Wrapping. Here, you'll see three options: Overflow, Wrap, and Clip. As soon as you select Wrap, you'll notice the text now fits neatly inside the cell. Google Sheets increases the row height to display the full content without affecting other cells. After applying text wrap, you'll notice that the content automatically adjusts within the cell, no matter its size. However, if you choose Overflow instead, let's begin by clicking on the Format menu at the top. From here, go to Wrapping, and select the option called Overflow. Now, watch what happens when I type a long piece of text in a cell. You'll notice that the text automatically overflows into the next cell, which can make your sheet look messy and hard to read. To solve this problem, all you need to do is go back to the Format menu, click on Wrapping, and this time, select Wrap. As soon as you do that, the text will stay neatly inside the cell, even if it's long. So, to fix this and keep your data neat and readable, simply apply text wrap. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.